What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna just do a simple project. I ordered some new tail lights and some new corner markers, so I'm gonna pull these off and replace them. And while I got these off, I'm gonna go ahead and paint, because I was lazy when I painted and I never took these off. So I'll take these off, put a fresh coat of paint underneath these, and then install the new ones. Alright, so I got these off, got a coat of paint on them. I'll probably do 2 coats, let these dry. This is the fender that's damaged. That'll most likely be replaced anyways, but this and this door is pretty much the only body damage on the whole truck. But there's a dent right here. It's kind of hard to see sometimes, but it's there. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the difference between the old ones and the new one. Those are 35 years old. The sun just destroyed them. They're not even freaking orange, barely even orange anymore. So it should look a lot better. I don't even think those are reflective at all, like this one is. Alright, so here's the new front corner markers. They look so much better. Except for my dinged up fender. Oh well, whatever. Alright, got the innard all in. Just got to bolt on the cover now. Got a fresh seal in here, fresh gasket. That'll be nice. Keep it somewhat dry in there. So they look pretty good. They don't fit perfect like the OEM ones did, but it's not a show truck. At least it looks a lot better than it did before. It's not horrible, but it's not great. But they'll work. Alright, so real quick, I'll let you guys know what's coming next for my truck. I said before in one of my previous videos that the headers I'm getting rid of for a few reasons, mainly because they rub on the shackles and they leak and they're just a pain in the ass. So I ordered these stock exhaust manifolds, and I'm going to install those probably at the end of the month, and then get my new exhaust made before we do the engine swap. So that'd probably be the next thing I do. Also, if you can see on the truck, it sits a little bit lower in the rear than it does in the front. So I ordered the Easy Inch kit from Off-Road Design. Comes with the 2 blocks and the hardware. Now these aren't your normal lift blocks. These actually become part of the spring pack, so there's no way they can fall out. It's the legit way to do it. I probably should have done this to begin with. I think Nick said he told me to do it, and I must have not heard him, but that's one thing I need to do. And then I need to figure out a way. I really want to mount the jack on the inside of the truck somewhere so it's secure, and I haven't really figured out a way to do that yet, or where to do it. So that's kind of a work in progress. I'm just kind of feeling some stuff out, and the other thing is I don't really know what the configuration of the inside of the truck is going to be yet, whether or not I'm going to keep the back seat, whether or not the spare tire is going to stand up, lay down, I don't know. So, but that's definitely something that's in the works as well. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate all you guys. Hope you're having a good weekend, and I'll talk to you guys soon.